Aloha class, this is Brother Castillo. I'm your instructor for Organizational Effectiveness B321. I'm really excited for this semester and I'm glad to have you all along for the ride. I love teaching this course and hopefully you'll feel that at the end of the semester this was some time well spent in this class. So let's just jump right into it, okay? Every week I will do a brief screencast like this one to cover the what's expected and the assignments that are due for the week. All of this information is found online, but as a help for everyone in the class, I provide this so that you can all have a visual of what's expected for the week. So for lesson one, I want to start with a welcome and introduction of myself, some helps and hints for this class, the objectives for lesson one, the assignments that are due for lesson one, and one final thought. By way of introduction, I'm Brother Castillo, your instructor for this class. I worked for over 20 years in the human resources profession. I'm married with 3 boys. Personally, I enjoy college football, running, and reading spy novels. And I live in Highland, Utah with my family. And here's a little picture of them. Finally, the gospel of Jesus Christ is indeed the most important part of my life. All right, some helps and hints for this class. Thoroughly review the lesson instructions. I would, as soon as possible, review the syllabus, review the lesson schedule, the reading assignment schedule, how to understand due dates, and the case write-up rubric. Another suggestion is please keep up with the assignments. Read the lesson flow section in the syllabus. This really gives you an expectation of how much time you need to dedicate and even how to break up your week. Pay attention to the assignment completion time estimates. And finally, most every week you'll have case write-ups, so definitely need to put a lot of thought into them. And then we also will have a weekly case study. You'll have a weekly case study discussion with your group, and every week I'll be joining 2 groups, which is really my favorite part of this class, but be engaged in those case study discussions. All right, so the objectives for lesson 1 is, first of all, to build relationships with class members, examine group dynamics, experience team creation, communications, and expectations, and discuss proper case write-ups. Now, the assignments that are due. So every Tuesday, you will have assignments due at 11 p.m. Mountain Time. So for this lesson, make sure you complete the orientation to online learning, read the syllabus and schedule, and then do a post and a video to the icebreaker discussion board, and there's more information of that online. Now, the second day that assignments are due would be the following Saturday at 11 p.m. Mountain Time. So for lesson 1, you have a syllabus quiz, and then you will also need to make 3 replies to the icebreaker discussion board. The earlier you do this, the better. And then also complete the information or review the information about your accountability project. Now, one final thought that I'd like to leave you with. You reap what you sow, and just like anything in life, but particularly in this class, as I'm sure your other classes that you're taking, you get out of it what you put into it. And so I do think this is one of those classes where if you put in the time and the effort, you will get way more back than the effort that you put into it. And in other words, this is, in my opinion, one of those classes where you really can learn some great ideas and some new skills and things to think about to become a more effective individual as well as a part of a group. So anyways, I've enjoyed being with you. I'll see everybody online. Take care. Bye-bye.